brand is Hcalory. It's the Toolbox 2 diesel heater. It's meant to be like pretty portable, and I would say that even like when I did, so I filled it up with diesel and it cost me like $4 almost, and the tank itself I think is like 6 liters, and based on what they say it's supposed to last 50 hours, which is like insane. I haven't tested it myself, which I will do, and then I'll tell you guys about it or show you in some capacity in a future video. So, heater has a fancy screen, has the tank, and then the space is gonna go through there out the back. So yeah, this is the tank that you'll fill with diesel, that I'll fill with diesel. This is the actual heater system and things. I might just set you guys up and have to focus, but we'll see how it goes. So first things first, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it, and so in order to do that I'm gonna look under the van and see what's going on down there, because it's gonna have to have an exhaust. Alright, I have a plan. I'm gonna tell you it. So here's the heater. I'm thinking I'm gonna just put it right here in this direction, and so I have to clear all that space first, because for an exhaust, the exhaust on the heater is right here, and it came with this, but I know what I'm gonna do is use this piece of conduit to make it longer, so that then even though the heater will be right here, the exhaust will go all the way to the back, like run along here on the other side of the wheel well, and kind of come out here where the exhaust for the van is. So let's get started clearing all this. And don't be a hater. I misplaced my safety glasses, but I'm trying my best. Exhaust pipe. It's gonna sit on these like steel, I don't know, like 3-inch support things, and here's it from like the other end, and that will like attach to the heater. I think that's it for day one. I'll finish in the morning. So welcome to day 2 of this heater installation process. I put diesel in here, so that way once I hook it up, it's ready. I also got like some tape type stuff to wrap the exhaust. Yes, now we begin the process of finishing this. My bad. I knocked you guys over. Okay. I have it plugged in to power. I have the exhaust going. I spent all day setting up. So now let's see if this thing turns on. Except I dropped this. Okay, this is just like a rough setup. Just to see. Oh, don't touch the... Oh my god. It's working. All right, leave that like that for now. I have to like secure that. But right now I just want to see this thing work. No, let's just give it a second, I guess. There's definitely air coming out. Okay, let's see how it's doing. Oh, we have warm air. Okay, now let's check. I haven't done the hose clamps or anything yet. I gotta do that tomorrow when there's light. That does get hot. That feels amazing. I didn't wrap this because I want to be able to disconnect it in case I want to take that out. Feel it?
Oh, that's hot as fuck.
Yeah, and that's not even full blast. I know, that's where I was coming next. I was like, how is this? How is this?
Touch it.
Are you super busy right now?
No, man.
I kind of want you to come feel this hot air.
Oh,
is that okay?
Yeah.
It's still pretty hot. It's like has to turn off for a little bit, but it was like, feel that vent. I was like, this is where it's like cycling off already.
That's perfect, isn't it?
All right, so the last little bit of heater stuff for hopefully all of it is really just to add some clamps and all that in the proper spots. I tested it last night and it seems to work pretty well. Hot air came out. Nothing was like leaking, or in terms of like the exhaust, there was no smell, etc., etc. Even without all the clamps, I wanted to just like give it a, you know, just see what's good first. So yeah, because everything seems to be working and whatever, gonna add the finishing touches and kind of like fasten some things so that, and make sure so this doesn't, you know. This fly trying to land on my face. Anyways, okay, we got one last shot at me showing you this exhaust thing, because then I'm gonna put everything back in the van, and I don't know if I'm gonna move it again, especially not to show you anytime soon, because I am done with doing this. So I kind of jimmy rigged just getting the like where the hot air comes out. Even though this is like paracord or whatever, it will be fine for now. I need to like fixate that, but I'm honestly gonna like redo this whole structure, so it was good enough for right now. Let me just show you what we're working with underneath it. Okay, so you've got the heater here. The tank is in there. I wanted the screen to be easily accessible. This is like a filter type thing that I will have to secure in some fashion. Maybe we'll see. The power. This is where the air comes out. Hot air. So yes, all the stuff is clamped and secured. And then, oh god. Then those aren't touching, as you can see. That's why I really just wanted to like be able to, you know, just stay there. I think I showed you earlier, there's a metal piece, like steel, right here, that is blocking that from hitting. And then there's another like right angle 90-degree type thing of steel right here, and it's not touching anything. It's not even touching metal, and it's raised so everyone can relax. And then that's clamped as well, clamped here. This is the hose that the heater itself came with, and then here's kind of the addition. So it's a conduit pipe that is bent and kicked and goes through. Well, it's supported by these steel squares, and they are attached to the floor, and there's a strap to keep this. There's tape on it, clearly. Just don't judge my work right now. Another one, strap, and there's the hole for the exhaust. Yeah, and this was fun. In order to get to this strap, I had to put this hole in my shelf, which I mean I'm not mad about. You can kind of see, so that I used like a longer bit. Let me take you to the outside and show you the exhaust out there. There should be right here. So there's space in between them. I don't know what else to tell you. There's underneath. There's the hole Had to be really careful about this, and it was cool because I got it exactly like where I wanted it. I was terrified. All right, y'all, so that was pretty much, not pretty much, that's the heater install. I'll change, because I'm gonna change the layout in here at some point, and so it'll be like a little bit different, but overall, what you saw is what's happening. So actually, just let me like tell you about the heater itself real quick, because this thing is like really awesome.